Hello everyone, Welsh21 here and welcome to another video. So here we are on Synology here. I've currently got File Station open, which is where we want to go, but in Synology we want to mount another NAS. So whilst we are in the File Station, we can mount the other NAS. At the top here you can see I've also have my QNAP NAS open. So this will work, for me at least, it works for QNAP over and into Synology. So what I want to do is, I find it easier just go into the area that we want to go in, so in media. First thing you want to do is, you want to right click and you want to create a folder. Or if you've already got a folder that you want to use, you can. I'm going to name this Vortis, since I name my QNAP Vortis, as you can see there, and my Synology is Scarrow. Couple of bits of Doctor Who reference here if you are not sure, but that's what it is. So media. Inside media, well, inside any area for your NAS at least, you want to hit Tools. At the top then you got Remote Connection, and then right below it you got Mount Remote Folder. The one that we're going to be using here is CIFS shared folder. You don't want NFS shared folder, although you may do depending on the file systems that your NAS uses. But for this particular one we're going to use CIFS shared folder. I'm going to drag this up. So we got protocol CIFS folder. The folder is the IP address followed by the area on your NAS. So I'll just open up my QNAP one here. Let's just open up the file station. So at the top here we got Vortis, which is the name of it, and inside it is home. So that's the one we want to aim for to have our media. So just close that down, go over, and the other thing we want is the IP address. So we're going to copy the IP address for whatever one it is. So what you want is your IP address for your other NAS. It won't be the same as mine, or it could be, but that's very unlikely. But yeah, so you want your local area IP address. So the first thing you want to do is you want to hit / instead of //. So 2 backslashes, paste in your IP address. You want to do your / followed by that area. So if you remember, I said it's within home. And then that's all you got to type in is home and then /. Put in your account username at the top one where it says account name, followed by the account password for the network drive that you are mounting. And then down below here you want to go to mount to, and this is where you want it to mount to. At the moment it's saying media / home because it's thinking it's going to go in home. But for me it's not, it's going to go into that one as I named a Vortis. So if I just go down, a Vortis there, just hit that, and there we are, it's now within there. And you got then mount automatically on startup. So whenever the NAS starts up, you can automatically mount that, which I want. You don't have to click that, that's up to you. And then once it's done, you hit mount, and that's basically it. So I'm going to hit my username and password, hit mount, and then I'll show you the rest. So once it has mounted, you will see that it is here at the moment. So we got Vortis with this like network symbol. So if I double click that, and it's automatically found my collection. So this is now the QNAP folder within Synology. So that it's as simple as that. That's how you mount another NAS into Synology. And if you want to unmount it, you can just simply have to right click and then hit unmount at the bottom there. That is now unmounted, so if I double click that, there's nothing in there, and then you could just simply delete the folder, and that's literally all you have to do. So right click and delete, and it's not there anymore. I'm going to obviously re-add it because it's very handy for myself. If this video is helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If not, leave a thumbs down, leave a comment down below, everything. Thank you all to my channel supporters. It needs to be at the top right hand side of the screen. And if there's any other videos like this that you want to see, just let me know down below and I'll see if I can do them. I may even see if I can do a video on doing the same thing within QNAP, since I do have a QNAP system here. Let me know if you want to see that, and I will try and figure out how to do it and do a video for you. But thank you all for watching, and ciao for now everyone.